Hey everyone, and welcome to a new video from our Play With Me Toys for Kids channel. Today I'm going to show you this ABC set. It's got 26 pieces total, and these are little forms of all the letters of the alphabet, 26 letters of course, and you can use Play-Doh to put in these forms and make out the whole alphabet out of Play-Doh. So I picked out a bunch of colors of Play-Doh to use today. Some of my favorite colors here, so let's go ahead and make them. First, get the letters out of the bag here. So, here they are. I laid them out in order here to make it easy. And there you can see all the letters. So, let's go ahead and get started. And of course we'll start with A, first letter of the alphabet. And I picked out some neon pink Play-Doh with glitter to make the A. So it's a little bit hard to get out. Here, I don't have, well here, I've got a paintbrush, so I'll take the back of it and just press it out. Okay. There we have our A. Next is the B. So I'm going to use purple for this one. So we'll make it flat, press the B in, and again take our paintbrush, press it out. And there we have our lovely B. Next is, of course, the C. And for this one I'm going to use blue Play-Doh. So I'll do a nice alternating color scheme. And here's our C. So you can continue all the way through the 26 letters of the alphabet. I'm going to go ahead and do it and show you the end result. D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So here is the whole alphabet that I made out of Play-Doh. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So I hope you all enjoyed the video today. If you did, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.